Welcome students, class 7 students. Student, I get to know that you have so many confusion on light. For clearing your confusion, I will make this video, and I have also discussed the chapter light in our YouTube channel in an offline classes. Today in these classes, I will discuss some MCQ question on light. First of all, after that, if you have any doubt regarding light, ask me in e-portal. I will try to clear your doubts, because very few days are left before the exam. That's why within 2 or within 1 or 2 days, just those who have confusion on light, ask me in the e-portal. Okay. So first MCQ question. Light travels in option A, straight line, option B, curved line, option C, zigzag way, and option D, none of these. It is the first question. So light travels in straight line, curved line, zigzag path, and none of this. At the 25th February, I have uploaded a video. On that video, I have discussed this. That is rectilinear propagation. Rectilinear propagation means light moves in a straight line. That property is known as rectilinear propagation of light. According to that property, so correct answer is, that is option A, straight line. Straight line is the correction. So light moves in a straight line. I hope it is clear. So the next question. Question number 2. Change of path after striking a surface is called. I know that you can answer this question, so I am giving the option. First option, reflection. Option B, refraction. Option C, dispersion. And option D, lateral inversion. Okay. So change of path after striking a surface is called reflection. So in the reflection, we have called that a surface, if a right lace is strike at it and it bends and return back in the same medium. That is, from that medium it comes, return back there. That incident is known as reflection. So option A is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3. The splitting of light. Splitting of light is called. Okay, splitting of light is called reflection, refraction, dispersion, lateral inversion. First of all, I hope just today I have discussed it in your class. Splitting of light when light pass through the prism-like substance. When white light passing through the prism-like substance is break into seven of its component color. That okay, and that incident is known as, no doubt, dispersion. So splitting of light or breaking of light, and that color, that is Vibgyor. The component color is Vibgyor. Okay. That is the question number 3. And question number 4. Question number 3, question number 4. Okay. Question number 4, that is, when light passes through prism, it breaks into 7 color, 8 color, 9 color and 6 color. Okay, 6 color. Okay, I hope you can answer this question. We have discussed that when light passing through the prism, it breaks into 7 of its component color. That for the color, one shortcut 50. Each element is denoting one color. So how many colors it breaks? That is in 7 color it breaks. So correct answer is 7 color. Okay, and the question number 5. This is the first question. So for your confusion, I will make another 2 videos on light. Okay, offline light. Watch it. I hope your confusion will be clear. Okay. Next question. Question number 5, and these MCQs are very much important for your exam also. Okay, image formed by the convex mirror, image formed by convex mirror. Okay, image formed by the convex mirror. Option A, virtual. Option B, erect. Option C, diminished. Option D, all of these. Okay, first of all, what is convex mirror? For solving that question, first we got to know what is convex mirror. When outside surface is reflecting surface, that type of mirror is called convex mirror. Okay, in the convex mirror, what type of image is formed? Virtual means when reflected ray appears to converge, mone hocche converge korbe. In this way, if it is image form, that is called virtual image. What is erect? Erect means AB an object. Its image, if it's AB, then that image is called erect image. And what is inverted? If its image is BA, AB's image is BA, that is called inverted. And what is diminished? It means if object is 10 centimeter and image is 5 centimeter, that time it is called diminished. But in convex mirror, all these 3 properties are there in the image. So that is virtual, erect and diminished. So correct answer is all of this. Okay, so students, just watch that video, and if you need any classes more on that chapter on light, write it down in the chat box quickly within today. I hope I will clear your doubt. Okay, within today or within evening. Okay, thank you, bye.